Hey everyone, it's Lissette here. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, my kiddo was in the room, so I couldn't record the way I wanted to, but my kids was home. It was really loud, but as you can see, I still have my birthday set on. So for the other hand, I wanted to do a New Year's day set. So yeah, I'm gonna be rocking both birthday and New Year's during the ball drop. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my 180 Sandyman and just remove the shine. I'm actually not gonna do too much of this because I recently already, did this for the birthday set. I didn't want to go in too much, but I did want to clean up the cuticle area a little bit. I felt like there was like a lot of dead cuticle, which is surprising since I recently just did my nails. I don't know, but anyway, I'm at I want to say 5,000 RPM and just doing a little bit of that. And then I go in with my bowl cuticle bit, and for the bowl cuticle bit I focus on the cuticle area, really the skin itself, just making sure it's all cleaned up and is looking fresh. Again, this is at 5,000 RPM. For the tips, I'm going in with the extra long coffin C-curve tips. I've already pre-measured out my sizes, and of course, you already know I'm gonna glue them down with my rubber base coat. The lamp, everything I am pulling out so far is from my website, LGNPro.com. We are having a sale right now, and on top of that, I did recently release 2 new bling boxes, which I will show you in the end. So for this, what I like to do is I like to apply that to the entire surface of the nail, and then I take the tip and then I cure that, I flash cure that using my little side lamp. This is how I like to do it. Once I have all the nails on, I do like to do a full cure for 60 seconds in my full size nail lamp. The pinky nail was a lot shorter than the other nails, so I did want to just make that a little shorter. So I did go ahead and just cut the nails except for the pinky. I was just trying to match them all up. Once I did that, I did go ahead and file these sides just a little bit. I felt like the corners was sticking up. This nail file I mentioned before is from Not Polish. I'm trying to run through it. This is a 100 grit nail file. I do not recommend using this because it is kind of coarse, so just be careful if you do use it. And then next I'm going in with my rubber base coat again, and I'm just going to apply that all over to the surface, all the way from the top all the way to the tips of the nails. I do this instead of fully filing the tip. This just saves me a lot of time, and it adheres really well when using hard gel. But again, once I do that, I do go ahead and cure that for a full 60 seconds. As I mentioned earlier, my son was in the room, so I actually took advantage and had him help me with one of the new bling boxes, opening the package and just pouring everything in. He did not want to be recorded, so I respected his wishes and tried to focus on the bling boxes. But yeah, so he ended up helping me with that, so that was a huge help, so I could just continue on focusing, creating my nails. So I'm gonna go in with Petal Pink, and this is a really pretty, it's kind of like a bright pink, but it has like these really pretty shimmers inside of it, like a gold shimmer to it. I thought it would be perfect for some New Year's nails, so I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna apply that to the entire surface across all of the nails. I like to go in with a wet layer first. I don't cure it. I take a larger amount and then I try to float that on top, avoiding my cuticle area. If I do feel like the gel is running and like going in places where I don't want it to go, I do flip my nail over, let gravity do its thing. That just helps guide the gel to the center of the nail, and it builds my apex for me, and it kind of smooths it out as well. But I do go ahead, I flash cure it, and then I move on to the next nail. When I have all the nails fully complete, I do go back in my full size lamp and do a full cure for 60 seconds just to make sure everything is fully cured and hardened.
Falling carefree from my worries, swear that happy is growing on trees. Chasing cheap thrills, out for the kill, leaving gold footsteps around me. Colors and lines make me tie-dye, higher than heaven, I'm in the sky. Call me top shelf, carry myself too well. all my better days. Looking through rose-colored glasses at all my mistakes. Breaking through the ceiling, unfazed. Baby, watch me come alive, come alive. Strike like the lightning in my lungs, can't fight it. My love is like a drug, I got fire dancing in my eyes, so bright. Can't help the way I light up every time I strike. Runway, glitter and shades, winning the game every time I play. Misery's gone, heart is turned on, neon. I'm twisting around the stairway straight to all my better days. Looking through rose-colored glasses at all my mistakes. Breaking through the ceiling, unfazed. Baby, watch me come alive, come alive. Strike like the lightning in my lungs, can't fight it. My love is like a drug, I got fire dancing in my eyes, so bright. Can't help the way I light up every time I strike. Like lightning in my lungs, I can't fight it, it's a drug. I got fire dancing in my eyes, so bright. Can't help the way I light up every time I strike. Like the lightning in my lungs, can't fight it. My love is like a drug. I got fire dancing in my eyes, so bright. Can't help the way I light up every time I strike. Like the lightning in my lungs, can't fight it. My love is like a drug. I got fire dancing in my eyes, so bright. Can't help the way I light up every time I strike.
After curing my nails, I'm going to go in with my nail cleanser. When curing hard gel, you are going to feel a sticky layer or a tacky layer on the surface of the nails. All you want to do is just take some nail cleanser and you can wipe that clean. Some people think that it is not cured fully. It is definitely cured. There's just this little tacky layer that you can easily just wipe off with some nail cleanser. And you definitely want to do this before filing. So once again, for filing, I took out that same nail file and I just started filing the sidewalls, the free edge. I do go over the surface and I focus around the cuticle area as well. I ended up doing everything using this hand file. I ended up not using the drill. So yeah, I just do that, and then once I did all of the nails, I do go in and I buff smooth with a white buffing block. Alright you guys, so this is one of the new bling boxes that I recently launched. This is Jet and Smoky Topaz. Almost forgot the name. But you guys, this was actually supposed to go out before Halloween, and yeah, that didn't happen, but you can get it now. It's on the site, so I'm going to use that, and I'm also going to use this gold chain for the physical design. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this black hard gel. This is called Staple. Again, this is from my site, LGNPro.com. And I'm not sure if we're going to continue selling these colored hard gels. These are a no... what do you call that? This is a file off only. You cannot soak these off. This is perfect for people who feel like their polish is constantly chipping. It's a hard gel, so it adds strength to the nails. I don't know, I love hard gel products, so let me know if you guys feel like I should continue selling this or not. If not, I don't know if I want to go on to gel polish. I don't know. You guys let me know what y'all think. But anyway, this is a pure black color. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to add thin layers while applying this. And I am going to apply this to the pinky, the middle, and the thumbnail. This is going to be a full covered nail. When it comes to the ring nail, you hear me? I ended up doing a Frenchie, so you're gonna see me do that. And then when it came to the pointer, I almost do like a swirl, like a diagonal S pattern. But again, I use this color as the background because we're going to cover this in bling, and you guys, it's gonna look so freaking pretty. But yeah, once I do each layer, I do make sure I do a full cure for 60 seconds. Because this is black, you want to make sure it's going to be fully cured in between the layers. So yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all watch this. I forgot to tell you, the brush I used was the oval number 6 brush, and then for this I took out the liner brush. This just helps me create the perfect smile line to do my Frenchies.
Even good love feels like drugs. Even good nights get you high. Little bit wild, but it's alright. Even bright lights got a dark side. Even good love feels like drugs. Even good times get you high. Little bit lost, but it's alright. Even bright lights got a dark side. Pleasure is pain and the pain is pleasure. Grass won't grow with the rainy weather. We keep flipping coins for luck and we're just trying to ease the suffering. Broke a heart first and my own got shattered. Never one tear really ever mattered. World keeps on turning and we all keep learning that even good love feels like drugs. Even good nights get you high. Little bit wild, but it's alright. Even bright lights got a dark side. Even good love feels like drugs. Even good times get you high. Little bit lost, but it's alright. Even bright lights got a dark side. Rounding corners, high and low ones. Can't have one without the other. Jumping in the neon colored feelings without feeling all the broken chords that came before. Sidewalks right hit the floor. Windows closed, but there's a door. That's how it always goes. Yeah, the world keeps on turning and we all keep learning. Even good love feels like drugs. Even good nights get you high. Little bit wild, but it's alright.
The best part of any nail design is adding bling. I'm gonna go in with my Bling and Noy Rhinestone gel and I'm gonna apply that to the entire surface. This cures non-tacky, so if you didn't want to add a top coat, you don't need to. If I use this, I usually don't add a top coat. But yeah, so I do a thin layer of this and I start outlining everything with the chain, and then you're gonna see me fill in like the black sections with the jet colored and the, what do you call it, the smoky topaz. So I do try to do majority of a black. I just feel like when it comes to New Year's nails, a lot of people tend to go to black or like gold. So yeah, I wanted this set to be more black than anything. So for the majority of the black parts I'm going to fill it with the jet color stones, and then when it comes to the pinky and the, what is it, the thumbnail, you're gonna see I kind of do majority of the black stones, but then I do a little bit of the smoky topaz on the tips. You'll see when I get to that part, it's gonna look really pretty. My favorite was probably, I don't know, I can't tell you which nail was my favorite. You guys let me know. I kind of really like this nail, the ring nail. Also the pointer was really pretty. But yeah, let me know which nail is your favorite. But yeah, so once I do this, I do go and cure each one individually. This took me so long. This took almost, I think, an hour to do this physical part, the stone placement part alone. So yeah, it was worth it.
Tried to keep my love out, my head down. Heavy is the heart that breaks. You hit me like a merry go round. All at once it was too late. I keep falling, falling, crawling back to you. If I'm honest, I want this. I got nothing left to lose. Come catch me if you can. I'm ready for it. Love is heavy, but baby take my hand. I'm ready for it. I've been running for my life, but I wanna call you mine. So just catch me if you can. Got a little too burned, too hurt. Last time I fell in this deep, but looking at you right now, I'm cursed to risk it all for everything. I keep falling, falling, calling back to you. If I'm honest, I want this. I got nothing left to lose. Come catch me if you can. I'm ready for it. Love is heavy, but baby, take my hand. I'm ready for it. I've been running for my life, but I wanna call you mine. So just catch me, catch me if you can. I've got a
All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I am obsessed. Look at how shiny it looks. It is bling blingy. It is so pretty. I am in love with the gold chain. You guys know me, I'm obsessed with gold. So yeah, anything with gold I think I'm in love with. But this bling box is on the site right now. You can go to LGNPro and purchase it. We do ship daily. If it's on the weekend, of course, you already know the post office is closed, so I can't really send it out. So it will go out that Monday. And oh my god, I'm just realizing my pointer was missing a stone, so please ignore that. But yeah, so for the other bling box, this is the light sapphire and light peach bling box. Again, both is on the site. Go check it out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this nail design. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy holidays, you guys. I hope you had a safe holiday. And as far as New Year's, happy New Year's to everyone. Again, I will see you guys in 2024. That is crazy. I feel like this year passed so fast. But yeah, that is it. I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya.